Hi, welcome to this update. So we made 3 videos today about the severe weather. The first one I deleted because the information is all updated already and you don't need to see that. But we made a video like 1 hour and a half ago, and now they added a moderate risk. So I didn't want to not make a video on this because this is really serious. So a moderate risk parts of Iowa mean northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin, and the rest is kind of the same. So tornado threat is now at 10% from Iowa to northern Indiana, branching to parts of southern Michigan and southern Wisconsin, and 5% from Iowa to northwestern Ohio, and 2% from Iowa to northwestern Ohio, into parts of Michigan too, and Wisconsin, Indiana, northeastern Missouri, and other areas, and even 2% in the northeast. So wind threat is now 45% hatched and a 30% hatched. So what this basically is of probability of damaging thunderstorm wind gusts over 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of a given point. So hatched area, 10% or greater probability of wind gusts exceeding 65 knots or 75 miles per hour, or greater within 25 miles of a point. So they mentioned earlier 75 miles per hour plus, so this must be like more than 80 miles per hour or something. Very destructive winds coming with this moderate risk. Please secure your home and your family and be careful. Hail, just the same there, 15%. So severe thunderstorms expected for this evening across parts of the Midwest, Central High Plains, and Lower Great Lakes and Arizona. The greatest potential for severe gusts over eastern Iowa into Illinois into Indiana. So the description is basically the same here. I don't know if they updated the description yet, but this, yes, was updated. So let's see, they also had a moderate risk for flash flooding in parts of northern Illinois there. And let's see if this is correct. Excessive rainfall, yes, and the slight to the marginal there. So be aware of flash flooding. There can be a lot of heavy rain there too. So please be careful. I showed you the model like an hour ago on the last video, but let's see if there's something new. I showed you that big area of significant tornado parameter there this afternoon and this evening. That could be really dangerous. And let's see the latest HER. So it has the storms kind of starting southern Wisconsin and other ones in Iowa, and then going through Illinois there. And this model one is particularly hinting at a big event in Chicago, so be aware. And then the line continues south into Indiana and other areas, and even some more by tomorrow morning in southern Illinois and Indiana, and more stuff tomorrow. So in the plains too, some storms this afternoon and this evening in Kansas. So and the storms in the northeast, we already have some tornado warnings there as of now. And let's see, so please be careful with the storms in the Midwest. This is a significant risk, not only for wind, the greatest threat, but for tornadoes too. So please be careful, and these tornadoes could be embedded in the line of damaging thunderstorm winds too. So please be careful. So let's see, they have the updated Midwest description here if you want to read. So pause the video if you want to read, but yeah, let's see. They say widespread gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour are expected, with some favorable gusts up to 85 miles per hour possible. So low-level shears favorable too. Massive vortex tornadoes are likely along the apex of developing bow late this afternoon and through this evening. So please be careful. Let's see if you want to read more, and there are the other areas there. So this is it for this update. Please warn others in that region and stay safe. Let's just mention a thing on the tropics here. because in the next 7 days we have that area of medium percent chance of formation in the Eastern Pacific. It's not going to affect anyone. It's going out to sea, but we just wanted to mention it. It's a 30 and 40% chance of development there. So let's see. Yeah, we won't show any models or anything because this will go out to sea, and the main focus today is the severe weather. So stay safe, bye.